Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear or delete browsing, download, form, and search history in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. By default, Firefox remembers your browsing, download, form, and search history. To erase this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. Then click settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar, select this one option, privacy and security. On the right, scroll down to this one history section. Here you will see a button, clear history. Click on this one button to erase browsing and other history. Click on this one button. Here you can check or uncheck the history you want to delete, and then click on this one clear now button.